Hello my friends, welcome to my channel. I am Shooter McKirsch and my channel is Shooter Make Drinks, and in my channel I make drinks. So today I'm gonna make the Bikini Martini. Yeah, that rhymes. That's the actual name of this drink. So for this drink you need Peachtree, Bols Blue Curacao. That's the first video I make with the Blue Curacao. You need gin, sugar syrup, and of course lime juice. I already prepared it because it's pretty simple. Alright, let's start. I start with the Peachtree, 10 milliliters. So it's just a little bit of peach flavor. Then a little bit more of the Blue Curacao, 30 milliliters or half an ounce of Bols Blue Curacao. Bols Blue Curacao is actually an orange liquor. It's very similar or basically the same than Curacao, but with blue color. It's pretty cool for coloring because it gives the drinks very nice colors. And 30 milliliters of gin. I scaled down the gin a little bit because some recipes call for 60 milliliters, which is quite strong. I don't want to have it too strong. There you go. And you also add the lemon juice, just 10 milliliters, to give it a little bit of a sour note. So and now we come a little bit of a difference. Some recipes call for no sugar syrup. My personal taste, I like it sweet, even though the Peachtree, the peach liquor and the Bols Blue Curacao are quite sweet. I like it even more sweeter. Oh, it's just personal preference. You can also have it without, so I do it with. Gives it more flavor. It's like how I like it. 10 milliliters. What I like about the Blue Curacao is, well, that's not the one. What I like about the Blue Curacao, it gives this beautiful color. So don't forget about the ice, of course. Here. You hear it cracking. That cracking ice means, what does it mean actually? I don't know. Nothing. Okay, let's shake it. Don't forget to smile. I've noticed when I shake it, I don't smile. I have a little bit of a shit face. But okay, that's how I do it. The more you shake, the more dilution. Okay, and now you're done almost. So I chose this drink today because I bought something new on the internet. But because before you saw I had you have a glass issue. But now this drink originally comes in a Martini glass, and I bought Martini glasses, so they're pretty cool. I wanted to use it, so that's why I make this drink. So the Bikini Martini, you use the Hawthorne strainer and a normal strainer, so you double strain it. Why do you want to double strain it? Because you want to get every little piece out, so the drink has a very clear look. So look at this. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, look at this blue color. Oh my God. This is beautiful. This is what you get with the Blue Curacao. All the drinks with Blue Curacao, they have these weird colors. Sometimes they look very similar, but taste very different. So there you go. So this is the Bikini Martini. Bikini Martini. And of course, I'm gonna garnish it. This time with a lemon. You don't have to do it because at home parties, it's a little bit of work. If you have like 10 people, you don't want to do it, so I'll just put it here. Look at that, how this looks like. So, and now it's time for tasting. I have a friend coming here, my good friend H, for my drinks. Hey my friend, how you doing? Say hello to YouTube.
Hello YouTube.
So tell me, how does this drink taste? Or tell us.
It tastes
really nice, huh? Very good. Okay. That's the Bikini Martini. All right, so you heard it. Pretty nice. He's a very big fan. Enjoy the Bikini Martini, and after I see you next episode, huh? Bye.